Xiaomi continues to redefine the flagship experience with the impressive Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. Its premium design and futuristic look immediately capture attention, while the large, high-resolution display delivers vibrant colors and ultra-smooth performance. The Leica-powered camera system captures stunning detail, natural colors, and impressive zoom, making every shot feel professional. Powered by the latest Snapdragon flagship processor, the phone handles gaming, multitasking, and demanding tasks with ease. A massive battery, ultra-fast charging, and intelligent AI features create a smooth experience from morning to night. Apple continues to redefine the flagship experience with the iPhone 17 Pro Max. From the very first look, the titanium design feels incredibly refined, combining premium materials with a clean, timeless aesthetic. The advanced camera system captures stunning detail in every shot, producing natural colors, impressive dynamic range, and professional-looking portraits. Video recording remains one of the iPhone's biggest strengths, offering cinematic stabilization, smooth motion, and remarkable clarity even in challenging conditions. The Super Retina display delivers exceptional brightness, vibrant colors, and ultra-smooth animations, making every interaction feel effortless. Powered by Apple's latest A-series chip, performance is incredibly fast, whether you're multitasking, editing videos, or playing demanding games. Every detail, from the polished software to the premium hardware, works together seamlessly. The iPhone 17 Pro Max isn't just a smartphone, it's a perfect balance of design, performance, and innovation, built to deliver one of the most refined flagship experiences available today. Its advanced camera system captures stunning detail, while powerful zoom brings distant subjects surprisingly close. Galaxy AI introduces smarter ways to search, create, and communicate. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or creating content, the Galaxy S25 Ultra handles it all with flagship performance. Samsung continues to push smartphone technology to the next level. Samsung starts strong with a premium titanium design that feels both elegant and incredibly durable. The vibrant display delivers smooth visuals with exceptional brightness in every situation.